Bro, I'm trying to make a fucking video here.
Dude, can I sit in this thing?
You can sit in it.
Do I need to like take my shoes off?
No, it's fine. I have my shoes off though. All right, well, I guess you can be in my video now.
Oh man, I don't want to be in your video.
You want to be in my video. This is a good one, all right? Have you ever heard of Liberty Walk?
Negative.
All right, so Liberty Walk is a company that makes wide body kits, all right?
Okay.
Build wide body kits for like GTRs, R8s, like high-end shit. And they just came out with one for a BRZ. On the screen now, you can see what the new body kit looks like, and everyone's freaking out about it right now because everyone's like, it's trash, or some people are like, it's the next level thing. But since you're so new to the, you know, car scene and everything like that. Also, guys, this is Cody Brislin.
I think it looks good. I don't really know too much.
This is their very first, I'm looking at it right now, this is their very first 86. You know what I mean? I remember when Rocket Bunny first did theirs, it was mostly just fenders as well. But then they progressed into like side skirts and the aero, and now they're at their V3 kit, where that's what I have now. And on the screen, you can see now they have front bumpers for it. And honestly, I'm not a big fan of it. It's the front fender. It just doesn't line up to that line right there. But I'm just kind of curious on how much it is now for the 86 one. Because if it's like that, I'm not too 100% sure on how much the GTR Liberty Walk ones cost. But if it's like around $8,000 for one of these kits, that's literally that's insane. I think they're going crazy. I just don't think it flows. You know what I mean? Like, if they came out with another kit with a full style with front bumper that matches their
all right, man.
front fender.
You keep doing your thing.
All right, thank you. So, do you like the kit or no?
Yeah, no.
No, he doesn't like it. That's a thumbs down. Uh-oh.
Jeez. Gosh. Sorry.
It's all good. So, overall with everything, guys, me personally, I'm not a fan of it. Just because it's the simplicity of it. It just seems really too easy, and I feel like they're gonna overprice the shit out of this. This is my own personal reference. So if you love it, this is just an opinion-based video. So don't get too serious with this video. But kind of me personally, I just think it's not all the way there. Like, it doesn't line up with the body. I feel like they try to make it just like the GTR, and it just did not work. I'm trying to word this video properly just so everyone's not pissed off if you like it, or if you agree with me if you dislike it. But honestly, guys, let me know in the comments. Do you like it? Do you dislike it? Do you think it's honestly too much? Do you think it's too little? Like, I have pictures on the screen right now, and let me know. Like, do you think this is the next big thing? So ever since I got back with work's been just super stressful, but I'm gonna get back onto my grind where I'm making videos for you guys. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Make sure you hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Summer days burn me out, love just brings me down. Go inside like winter leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey, you.